here I have that big monster right now. I plug it in, but there's no display. But yep, seems to be working. So I'm gonna see why the display is not working at all. Even I try to adjust here, nothing happens, the contrast. So let's see what's happening with that thing.
One eternity later.
So that one will be the most delicate part of the job. Those are the 3 new capacitors, and those here on the board are the old ones I'm gonna be replacing right now. And let's see if everything be changed. I'll be ready to put everything back and test that baby.
1 hour later. Much later.
So the 3 little capacitors are being replaced. Those are the old ones. Hope so. That will take care about the LCD display problem.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
So everything is back together. Let's just get that one here. All the keys, all the knobs, everything. So connect the power. And there you are. Wow, now it's really dark. Even if we get a little bit darker, we cannot even see the screen. Let's just connect some speakers and see how everything goes. So I have little speakers connected here. Well, seems to be working fine. And again, now guys, as guys can see it, the screen get really dark. Even if I go over, they got like blurred. I have to bring down a lot. So right here is the DC-DC converter, and those 3 here, C3, C4 and C6, are the little capacitors that generates the voltage that goes through here and goes to the LCD panel that generates the contrast on the LCD panel. So if you guys have a Motif ES8, that are the capacitors right here, and right here on my desk right now are the little ones that I just replaced. So on the LC board itself, let's get down here. Not manual. Okay, here we go. Right here, that's the LCD board, and actually this one here is, yeah, let's get more zoom on it. Yep, and as you guys can see here, C3, C4 and C6, those are the three bad guys. Again, right here, and now as you can see it, a lot of contrast. Even with minimum, I still can see in the background. I just touch a little bit, see, and if I go all the way up, the display got all dark. So have to keep in the middle, below the middle, to get a really good view on it. And I think that's all, guys. That's all I can tell you right now about that baby.